Hello, this is Sven from Union Repair. And this underfill black glue cleaner is now getting so popular in the repair industry. It helps the technician to clean the black glues much easier. And the thing is that now everyone knows this tool, but nobody knows the guy behind this tool. So today I'd like to introduce Xiaoding. He's the one who invented this tool. So 你可以视频打个招呼。Hello. I'm sorry that he doesn't speak much English, so I'm here trying to explain everything here. So he is like one of the best technician in China now, and he made this tool for his personal use. And now we successfully make this tool into the firstly in Chinese market. Now it is so popular in the international market. And today I want to introduce why it is so good for the technician to clean the glue with this blade. So first, first the material. They're using the material from Japan. It's imported from Japan. It's the best steel, the best material. Okay, if you think this material is the key for the success of the blade, then I'm going to tell you another reason why it makes it a great tool. This is from factory, but it's not only from factory. The best thing about this blade is that each blade is polished by his hand. So now I'd like to have Xiaoding to show us how he polished this tool for you. 你展示一下给他们。So this is a grinder stone. Every blade is polished with this stone. So after he polished this blade, he needs to use the microscope to check if it's good or not, and then polish again and check and polish and check. 你这个在这底下看是主要是看什么？
就让人家知道这个东西是经过每次都经过。
不是，你是在看什么东西？
看刃口。
看它是不是够光滑是吧？
刃口是否达到标准？
So he's going to after he polished this blade, he used this microscope to check the blade is smooth enough or not. Okay, after polish the blade, he need to make this blade into some like specific angle. So 那你要把那个角，就是说，他说把这个刀弄得弯一点，你要把它这个拍出来，就是说，
等一下再弯一下，先把它磨细以后再，需要换一个是。
换一个是为了什么呢？
气膜不要有滑，不要有那个抛光。
是你要换那个是吧？
抛光。
So after the first step polish, they need to change the grinder stone to make it more smooth.
然后有个折弯的过程。
Now he's going to make this blade some specific angle to make to make it better to use.
然后这一面的再去抛光处理。
另一面。
另一面。
也要抛光。
抛光对。
And then he need to polish another side of the blade.
然后再经过隔胶测试。
So not only check the blade under microscope, he also used the motherboard to check.
每一片刀片都经过主板实测。
So they check every blade with the motherboard to check if it's going to break the motherboard.
Okay.
So it's done. So this is the one you are going to receive in your hand. There is a lot of copy ones in the market, but they are mostly with some worse material and not polished. And this one is with the Japanese. This one is with the Japanese material and is polished by hand. And I want to ask him a question that how many blade he can polish at the most. 我刚刚就说你最多的一次磨了多少片？一天
磨100多片。
100多片。
对呀，跟他说也不会超过100片。这样说产量。
So he tried very hard to polish this blade one day, and he just made it like 100 pieces a day. So the supply of this blade is not that much because each one has to be polished by his hand, one by one. He can make at the most 100 per day. 那你平均大概一天你们会磨多少？
就说100多片嘛。100
多片。所以还有其他人一起。
就说这个一天就磨100片嘛，你说产量比较低嘛，因为磨的比较大，每天都经过仔细打磨。
Okay, so currently the supply of this blade is like 100 pieces a day. 然后这里就完了是吧？
就完了，就 OK 了。
Okay, so as I said that there is a lot of copy in the market, and the price is like half. But if you want to get the original blade polished by Xiaoding's hand, you check out Union Repair website, and you buy the original ones there. And I will catch you later. Bye. Thank you.
Thank you.
好了。